Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Integromat alternatives with your mobile app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting an Integromat alternative that suits your needs. Create an account on the chosen platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Integrations or Connections section of the dashboard. Choose the mobile app you want to connect. If the application is not listed, use the search feature to find it. Click on the option to create a new connection or integration. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary API keys or authentication details. Ensure that your mobile app settings allow for API or third-party integrations. Once the app is connected, configure the triggers for your integration. Select the specific triggers you want to use, such as user actions or data changes. Define the actions that should occur in response to these triggers. Test the integration to confirm that it is working correctly. Monitor the integration for any issues or errors. Adjust your settings as needed based on your testing results. Save your configuration once you are satisfied with the functionality. Document your integration settings for future reference. Explore additional features or advanced settings to enhance your integration. Make regular updates to keep up with any changes in the app or integration platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.